Let's do a hands-on of installing Tensorflow and Pytorch. Let's open a terminal. So I'm creating a new directory. Install demo. Alright, so we have this install demo lib folder. Let's start with creating a virtual environment. That we can give Python 3.8 minus m venv3. Typically, like any environment name you can give. It's good practice to give like venv2, venv3, or maybe 3.8 as you wish. So I'm giving venv3. And then we need to source the. Alright, so this will. Now we are inside the environment. We have sourced the environment with list, and there is only these three packages. Now let's install our libraries. So okay, we need to do this step. Upgrade this pip. Let's install -u pip. That will upgrade the pip. Okay, we have installed the latest version of pip. Initially it was 20, now it is 23.1. Next is this installation of TensorFlow, or latest version or old versions. So let's check these links. Alright, first we will check the latest TensorFlow. So if you go to tensorflow.org, install pip, we can see what are the requirements for latest TensorFlow. So this is one preferred way, conda based. So I'm not using conda right now. Maybe another video will create on conda based. So right now just directly virtual environment and installing the package. So yeah, these are the requirements. Hardware requirements, GPU card, architecture, any of this is fine. But now software requirements, we need to check. Ubuntu 16 more, Windows 7 higher. Yeah, Python, like I said, at least 3.8 is needed. Up to 3.11 is supported. NVIDIA GPU, yeah, here they are talking about the CUDA version requirement. So this is the latest TensorFlow 2.12 is the latest, and that requires CUDA 11.8 and cuDNN 8.6.0, and optional this TensorRT to improve inference speed. So if you are using GPU, please make sure if you are using latest TensorFlow, make sure these CUDA, cuDNN, and also TensorRT are installed. Okay, now if you are using some server or like some reason you have some old version of CUDA and right now you want to go with that itself, then we need to look for this compatibility. So whichever CUDA you have, Python, CUDA, mainly let's focus on CUDA. So CUDA, whichever version you have, find the corresponding TensorFlow version. Let's say I have 11.2, then 2.11.0 up to 2.11.0 I can use with the CUDA 11.2. If I want to go higher, then I need CUDA 11.8. Okay, so this is how you can. So what you need to do is install, simply giving pip install TensorFlow, give pip install TensorFlow equal to this version. I'll show you. Let's install this 2.11, as I have CUDA 11.6. So pip install TensorFlow equal to the version 2.1.0. So this will download and install CUDA 11.0 for us, and we can check if it is installed properly and if it is able to use GPU by importing and then this command. Alright, so this might take 1 minute. In the meantime, you can, okay, is there anything else here? So yeah, there is Mac OS and yeah, also if you want to upgrade your TensorFlow, you can give command pip install -u TensorFlow. That is also that will upgrade, or like this you can install pip install TensorFlow equal to whichever version you want, 2.12 latest. Then you can do like this. Yeah, this way also you can verify. You can literally run some command or some operation and see if it is all working. And in GPU as well, we can do like this. So yeah, this is the same command we are also going to run. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's done. Now Python import TensorFlow. Yep. And this command. And yeah, it is saying GPU device is available. GPU 0, single one device is available. Yeah, maybe we can try this example as well. Okay. Okay, that was just same thing. Okay, maybe this compute, let's see. Okay, so GPU is used and some multiplication was done, and this is the result. Alright, yeah, so this way we can ensure TensorFlow is installed properly and it is able to use GPU if GPU is available.